heart that told me, don't sit here waiting for a sign. So I'm thinking maybe this time I put it all on the line.
Mabuhay! Sabay di! I'm Kisa. For today's video, I will take you to Nong Kiao. It's another beautiful province here in Laos. It's in northern Laos. Now it's about 8:05 and we are waiting for our tuk-tuk. I think it will take around 3 to 4 hours to go to Nong Kiao. The tuk-tuk will take us to the bus station. And I'm excited. It's my first time to go to Nong Kiao. Are you ready? Kaya tara! Samahan niyo ako.
Nothing I can do to take this love, draw it back to you. This love of mine, this love of mine.
ท่านผู้สร้างสื่อสารท่านผู้สร้างที่จะเดินทางไปยังเมืองเวียงคำกรุณาขึ้นรถได้ในทะเบียนกก5สู1สู
And we are now here in Northern Bus Station and we just bought our tickets. It cost around 40,000 kip. So that's 200 pesos in the Philippines for each. And our departure time is 9 o'clock. And now, it's 8:52. Come on, we're late. It's about time for us to ride our minivan. I'm excited. Let's go inside. And we are now here inside our minivan. It's not that full. I think it's a good just that we are here early in the morning. And this is the first time again we traveled. I think the last time that we traveled was about last year when we went to Pak-Se. And the guest house owner, Papalo and Mama Ke, said that the road going to the south is good. However, the ones that going to the north, it's not good. It's like a zigzag. I'm excited, but a bit nervous. Let's see. And we are finally here in Nong Kiao. It takes about 3 hours and a half from Luang Prabang going to Nong Kiao. Let's get our bag. Look at first impression of Nong Kiao. Look at this. So many mountains. Last night we booked our guest house, so let's find over here. It's nearby. Come on. Oh, it takes about 15 minutes from the bus station going to the guest house. I changed my mind. It's really hot right now. So we ride a tuk-tuk. Hi. Here.
Can you live here?
Yeah. Chai. Chai. Now this is our guest house. Let's check it.
I focus. The key.
It's okay. We got stranded last year, March. Ooh. Wow. Wow, overlooking the river. Oh, ang ganda. We are finally here in our guest house here in Nong Kiao, Northern Province of Laos. And look at my view. We are surrounded by nature, mountains, and the river, and their famous bridge. I cannot wait to go all of their tourist spot and to take photo. It takes about 3.5 hours from Luang Prabang to Nong Kiao, and I am really starving. I did not eat anything back in Luang Prabang. So we'll just head off outside, find some good restaurants, and take some photos, and I'll see you in the next while. Next scene. And we are finally done fixing our stuff inside the guest house. And I am really starving. I think I can eat 3 cups of rice. Let's find now the restaurant. Come here. All of the restaurants and even the cafes are closed because of COVID. And we are lucky enough to find one that's still open. I'm starving. Let's check it out. Oh, they have a lot here in this restaurant, but I found it a bit expensive compared to Luang Prabang. It's okay, we are really starving. So I'll order fried rice and fried pork with rice. I'm really starving. Fried rice with chicken. And this one, and 1 steamed rice, 1 iced coffee with milkshake. Thank you. My first impression here in Kiao is very charming. It's a small town nearby the Nam U River, and it has a lot of beautiful spots. From our guest house, we can already see the Padek view. And the tuk-tuk driver said that if we have time later on, we can go to another top view. But it's a bit higher than Padek. And I think I can stay here for like a week. This is really peaceful village. The people are really simple. It has a fresh air. I think the first day, I loved it already. And finally, the long wait is over. I have now my food, my first meal of the day. Let's try it. Wow. I have my fried pork, fried rice, and my plain rice. Yes, this is all mine. First bite. Sarap. Syempre, hi. Let's try this. Still hot. Let's go. Thank you, Lord, for the food. I just finished all of this and I see you in a while. Next scene. And look at this amazing view. We are now here in the famous bridge of Nong Kiao. After we had lunch, we just came back to our guest house and fixed our stuff and rest for a bit. Today is just preparation day for our Nong Kiao travel. The next videos, we will show you more of the beautiful spots or places here in Nong Kiao. The top view, the cave, and maybe the waterfall. So please stay tuned and watch out for it. And as I always say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me some love with thumbs up, and don't forget to spread the word. Share, share, and share. You can always leave a comment down below, and please do click the bell button so you will get all the updates. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!